Parts of the body. Head.
Head.
When you say yes, you move your head up and down. Eyes.
Eyes. You look with your eyes.
Ears.
Ears.
You hear with your ears. Nose.
Nose. You smell with your nose.
Mouth.
Mouth.
You use your mouth to eat and talk. Lips.
Lips. You kiss with your lips.
Tooth.
Tooth.
Teeth.
Teeth.
You chew food with your white teeth. Tongue.
Tongue. You use your tongue to taste food.
Neck.
Neck.
Your neck is below your head. Shoulders.
Shoulders. Your shoulders are between your neck and arms.
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 Your arms go from your shoulders to your hands. Hands.
Hands. You grab and hold things with your hands.
Fingers.
Fingers.
You have 5 fingers on each hand. Chest.
Chest. Your chest is between your neck and your stomach.
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 When you eat, the food goes to your stomach. Back.
Back. You carry a backpack on your back.
Legs.
Legs.
You walk with your 2 legs. Knees.
Knees. Your knees are in the middle of your legs.
Foot.
Foot.
Feet.
Feet.
You wear shoes on your feet. Toes.
Toes. You have 5 toes on each foot.